The world's healthiest nuts, simple foods, packed with powerful nutrition. Clapperboard introduction. What if one small handful of food could give you healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants? That food is nuts. From almonds and walnuts to pistachios, cashews, pecans, and hazelnuts, nuts are enjoyed all around the world. They are small, convenient, delicious, and packed with important nutrients. In this video, we are going to explore some of the most nutritious nuts you can add to your everyday diet, what makes each one special, and simple ways to enjoy them. So let's get started. Chestnut. Why are nuts so nutritious? Nuts contain a combination of nutrients that makes them a valuable part of a balanced diet. Many nuts provide healthy, unsaturated fats, plant-based protein, dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, natural antioxidants. They can also be very filling, which makes them a convenient snack between meals. But there is one important point to remember. Nuts are nutritious, but they are also energy-dense. A small handful is usually enough. Choose plain, unsalted nuts whenever possible, and avoid products with large amounts of added sugar or unhealthy coatings. Herb 1. Almonds. Almonds are one of the most popular nuts in the world. They are an excellent source of vitamin E and also provide protein, fiber, magnesium, and healthy fats. Their mild flavor makes them easy to add to almost any meal. You can eat almonds on their own, add them to oatmeal or yogurt, or sprinkle chopped almonds over salads. They are also delicious when lightly roasted. Brain 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are especially famous for their unique nutritional profile. They are one of the best-known plant sources of omega-3 fatty acid ELA. Walnuts also provide protein, fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants. Their rich flavor makes them perfect for breakfast, salads, baked dishes, or a simple snack. A small handful of walnuts can add both texture and nutrition to your meal. Greenheart 3. Pistachios. Pistachios are not only delicious, but also full of nutrients. They provide protein, fiber, healthy fats, potassium, and other important nutrients. Their naturally colorful appearance makes them popular in both sweet and savory recipes. You can enjoy pistachios as a snack, add them to salads, or use them in desserts. For a healthier choice, look for unsalted or lightly salted pistachios. Peanuts 4. Cashews. Cashews have a creamy texture and a naturally mild, slightly sweet flavor. They provide healthy fats, protein, magnesium, copper, and other nutrients. Cashews are also very versatile. They can be eaten as a snack, added to stir-fries, blended into sauces, or used to create creamy plant-based recipes. Their smooth texture makes them a favorite for many people. Brownheart 5. Hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are especially popular in Europe and are famous for their rich, naturally sweet flavor. They provide healthy fats, fiber, vitamin E, and other beneficial nutrients. Hazelnuts are delicious on their own, but they are also excellent with fruit, oatmeal, yogurt, and dark chocolate. Roasting hazelnuts brings out an even deeper aroma and flavor. Maple leaf 6. Pecans. Pecans are a classic North American favorite. They contain healthy fats, fiber, protein, and a variety of minerals and antioxidants. Their naturally rich and buttery flavor makes them perfect for salads, oatmeal, baked dishes, and snacks. Pecans can also be a delicious addition to roasted vegetables or grain-based meals. Coconut 7. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are known for their rich, creamy texture. They are particularly high in monounsaturated fat and provide several important minerals. Because they are rich and satisfying, a small serving can go a long way. Try adding them to salads, homemade trail mix, or eating them as a simple snack. Chestnut 8. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are famous for their exceptionally high selenium content. Selenium is an essential mineral involved in several important functions in the body. Because Brazil nuts can contain a very large amount of selenium, you do not need to eat many of them. Just a small amount can be enough. They have a rich, creamy texture and can be enjoyed on their own or added to mixed nuts. Evergreen tree 9. Pine nuts. Pine nuts are small but flavorful. They contain healthy fats, protein, magnesium, and other nutrients. They are widely used in Mediterranean and European cooking. Try adding toasted pine nuts to salads, vegetables, pasta, or homemade sauces. Even a small amount can add a wonderful nutty flavor. Whiteheart 10. Peanuts. Technically, peanuts are legumes rather than tree nuts. But nutritionally, they are often included in conversations about nuts. Peanuts provide plant protein, healthy fats, fiber, and several vitamins and minerals. They are also affordable and easy to find. You can enjoy roasted peanuts as a snack or choose natural peanut butter with minimal added ingredients. Always check the label, especially when buying flavored or sweetened peanut products. Chestnut 11. Chestnuts. Chestnuts are different from many other nuts because they contain less fat and more carbohydrates. They also provide fiber, potassium, and other nutrients. Roasted chestnuts are especially popular during the colder months in many parts of Europe. They can be eaten as a snack or added to soups, stuffing, and other comforting dishes. Green salad: how to eat nuts in a healthy way. The easiest way to enjoy nuts is to keep them simple. Choose raw or dry roasted nuts, unsalted or lightly salted options, products without added sugar. You can add nuts to breakfast bowls, oatmeal, Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, salads, vegetable dishes, smoothies, homemade trail mix, or simply enjoy a small handful as a snack. Balance scale: how many nuts should you eat? Nuts are nutritious, but more is not always better. A common practical serving is around one small handful, or roughly 28 grams, or 1 ounce. The exact amount can vary depending on your individual needs and overall diet. The goal is balance. Instead of eating a large bowl of nuts at once, use a small portion and combine it with a varied diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other healthy foods. Warning: an important note about nut allergies. Nuts can cause serious allergic reactions in some people. Tree nuts and peanuts are among the most common food allergens. If you have a nut allergy, avoid the foods that cause your reaction and carefully check food labels. And remember that nuts are not suitable for everyone. White mediums star the big secret about nuts. The biggest secret is not that one nut is perfect. It is variety. Almonds give you a different nutritional profile from walnuts. Pistachios are different from pecans. Brazil nuts are different from cashews. Each type has its own combination of fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. That is why enjoying a variety of nuts can make your diet more interesting and nutritionally diverse. Globe showing Europe, Africa, a simple way to add nuts to your day. You do not need complicated recipes. In the morning, add almonds or walnuts to oatmeal. At lunch, sprinkle pistachios or pine nuts over a salad. As an afternoon snack, enjoy a small handful of unsalted mixed nuts. At dinner, add cashews or chopped nuts to vegetables or grain dishes. And for dessert, try a little hazelnut or pecan with fresh fruit and plain yogurt. Small changes can make healthy eating easier. Clapperboard outro. And there you have it, a simple guide to some of the most nutritious and delicious nuts enjoyed around the world. From almonds and walnuts to pistachios, cashews, hazelnuts, pecans, macadamias, Brazil nuts, pine nuts, peanuts, and chestnuts, each one brings something different to the table. The key is simple. Choose quality, eat reasonable portions, and enjoy variety. Nuts can be a delicious part of a balanced diet, whether you live in America, Europe, or anywhere else in the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple food and nutrition videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Eat well, stay balanced, and enjoy the natural power of nuts. Chestnut Red Heart.